Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to upgrade from a 2G device on T-Mobile before August 3, what you need to do now. To upgrade from a 2G device on T-Mobile before the network officially shuts down on August 3, 2026, you must act quickly to replace your old hardware with a voice-over LTE capable 4G LTE or 5G free upgrade device to avoid total service loss. Step 1. Prepare your device for trade-in. Check that the screen turns on, stays on, and is completely free of chips, cracks, or deep scratches. Next, check for water damage. Inspect the liquid damage indicator sticker located inside the SIM card, tray, or charging port. Then turn off tracking. Disable Find My iPhone, iOS, or Find My Device, Android in your phone system settings. To turn off tracking on iOS, open Settings, then tap on your name. Then select Find My and toggle Find My iPhone to off. For Android, open Settings, tap on Google and select Find My Device and switch it to off. Backup data. Perform a complete cloud or local backup of all your photos, contacts, and personal files. On iOS device, open Settings, then tap your name and select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup and select Backup Now. For Android, open Settings, tap on Google, select Backup, and then tap on Backup Now. Retrieve your IMEI. Dial star hash 06 hash on your phone's dialer to display and note down your 15-digit IMEI number. Step 2. Check your devices for compatibility. The shutdown affects older cell phones, typically from 2017 or earlier, along with 2G reliant IoT electronics. Every cell phone has a unique 15-digit International Mobile Equipment Identity IMEI number. Find your number. Open your phone's phone app keypad and dial star hash 06 hash to instantly pop your IMEI up on the screen. Method 1. Using T-Mobile website. Enter this number into the official T-Mobile IMEI compatibility tool to view your phone's network capability profile. First, enter your mobile's IMEI number and click Continue to view the status. Method 2. Using smartphones and flip phone settings. For iPhone, iOS, go to Settings, then go to Cellular, then tap on Cellular Data Options. Then from there, click on Voice and Data and look for LTE or 5G. For Android, go to Settings, then tap on Network and Internet. In it, go to Mobile Networks and tap on Preferred Network Mode and look for LTE or 4G. Step 3. Claim your free hardware upgrade. Look through your text messages, letters, or emails for an official notification from T-Mobile regarding a free device migration. Then log into your online account portal or head to your local physical T-Mobile store. If your line is Flash S2D dependent, T-Mobile will provide a basic 5G smartphone like the Moto G5G or REVVL 6 5G or a 4G/5G flip phone completely free of charge without requiring a monthly bill, contract, or plan change. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.